Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss continuation of the topic clocks. So yesterday we discussed about the clocks coinciding and clocks be opposite side, right? So I've given us easier tips actually. What are the types we have? Angles. We already discussed this about angles, finding the angles and coinciding and opposite. Yesterday we just practiced one problem with this opposite to each other. Then today we'll see some more problems on this one. Then we'll go to the right angle and mirror images. Okay. Now, here the last one. What is the time between? What is the time between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock? Will be the hands of the clock will be opposite each other. Opposite each other. It is. I think it's discussed yesterday. Each other. Okay. Now we'll make this. We'll make this 1 and 2. In between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. In between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, where and which time they will become exactly in the straight line or 180 degrees or opposite to each other. They will ask like anything. They'll maybe ask like opposite to each other, maybe the straight line, maybe they'll say in 180 degrees. Okay. For solving this, we have a formula. What is that formula? 30h minus 11 by 2 minutes, 11 by 2 minutes equal to theta. What's the theta? When they will opposite means what's the theta? It is nothing but 180 degrees, right? 180 degrees. By using this, we can solve any time. I mean, between any 2 hours when they will meet exactly in the straight line by solving this. But instead of doing this calculation, we are following one simple tip, that is whenever they ask like this, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, first you need to know the where it will be the opposite side. So first you need to clock sides you want. 12, sorry, this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So yeah, of course, right answer, of course. Now see which of the opposite to each other actually. Now we'll see if what is the mean it. If 12 and 6 exactly is there, then it will be opposite to each other. But whenever we are getting these opposite or coincide, it's not exactly between the time. Okay, it will move. This also will move and this will also will move. So for that, so always we need to consider lies between 12 and 1, 6 and 7. This is one angle. Okay, lies between 12 and 1, 6 and 7 is opposite. 12, 1, its opposite is nothing but 6 and 7. Now 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will be where it will be 7 and 8. If the time between 1 and 2, the clock between 1 and 2, then the opposite minute hand will show 7 and 8. In between 7 and 8. Okay, clear what I'm saying? Our hand will show 1 and 2. That means minute hand will show opposite 7 and 8. Now, if it shows 3, it lies. Our hand lies between 2 and 3. Then minute hand lies between 8 and 9. Is it clear? Is it clear? No. No. Come to the 3 and 4. It will be like this. So whenever our hand lies between 3 and 4, minute hand will lies between 9 and 10. And So you need to remember this. At least you need to know, get idea about this one, which is opposite directions. Okay. So 10 and 11. If our hand shows 4 and 5, 4 and 5, minute hand will shows 10 and 11. The same opposite. If our hand shows 10 and 11, minute hand will shows opposite, right? Now, the last one. If the minute hand and our hand shows is opposite to each other, means 11 and 12 and 6 and 5. Okay. Now you need to know what they're asking now. 1 and 2. They're asking 1 and 2, right? Our hand lies between 1 and 2, right? In between the time means 1 and 2. Okay. Now, if our hand lies between 1 and 2, minute hand will lies between 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Which one is small here? Same trick which we are following for coincide. Here also will follow the same. So now see which one is the small here. In 8 and 7, the minute hand lies. The minute hand lies between 8 and 7. So in this, which one is small? 7. 7 represents how many minutes? 35 minutes, right? 7 is a small one. So 7 represents 35 minutes, right? So our answer will be 35 and 35 by 11. That's it. So what is the 35 by 11? 35 by 11 is not a proper fraction. It's not a proper fraction. Then just convert into the mixed fraction. Then what will it will be? 35, this same will be there. And this 35 by 11 will become 2 by 11, right? Three 2 by 11. That's nothing but 11 into 3, 33 plus 2, 35 by 11. So now you just add this 3. You just add this 3 to 35. So now it becomes 38 2 by 11. But if it is a proper fraction, no need to converting and no need to add it. If it is a proper fraction, if it is not the proper fraction, it's improper fraction, then we have to convert like this. Okay. Now, what's the time? 38 minutes 2 by 11. So exactly at 1 hour, 38 minutes 2 by 11. Sorry, 38 2 by 11 minutes. 38 2 by 11 minutes will see the both hands are opposite to each other, and one is lies between 1 and 2 and another one is lies between 8 and 7. Okay, is it clear? This is the same thing we are following for coincide and next one also. Okay, now this is the thing. Just okay, delete this one. Delete this one. Okay, then go for the another one. So, guys, just wait a minute. Guys, now you just find out the time between, what's the time between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock? Will the hands of the clock be opposite to each other? So same thing I am asking, same, just before what we done? Just before what we done here, 1 and 2, but previous question 1 and 2, our hand will be here, minute hand will be here, right? So now in this question, so our hand will lies between, our hand lies between 7 and 8, but minute hand will lies between 1 and 2. Now, so which one we have to consider? 1 and 2. In 1 and 2, which is the smallest one? 1. 1 represents 5, right? So our answer directly 5 by 11. So, and this 5 by 11 is proper fraction. So no need to conversion, no need to add anything. So exactly at what time they will meet? 7 hours. 7 hours. 7 hours, 5 minutes, sorry, 5 by 11 minutes. It is, they will meet each other. Now, you understand which one we have to consider? Minute hand we need to consider, minute hand, because our hand will be 7 and 8 only. So our hand up to reaching the 8, we call as 7 o'clock only. 7:40, 7:30, 7:50 and 8, right? So lies. So here 7 hours, 5 by 11 minutes, the both will be opposite to each other. Then we just find out the 3 and 4. What's the between the 3 and 4? 3 and 4. What's the between 3 and 4? Then same. Where it will be at 3 and 4? This our hand will be here and the minute hand will be here, right? Now same thing, 3 and 4. It's nothing but minute hand will shows this one, right? Was it given answer here? Sorry. This will be here, right? No, this will be here. No, the same. Now what's the answer? Just simple. Which minute hand will be there? 9 and 10. Minute hand will be in 9 and 10. So which is a small? 9. 9 represents 45 minutes. Then our answer will be 45 by 11. So directly 45 11 means 4. So 4 will be added here. So it is nothing but 49. So 3 hours, 49, 1 by 11 minutes. Is it right? How many have given answers? So check it. Superb. Nice. Okay. Now, this is about the opposite angle, 180 degrees. Now we'll move for the another type. What is that? Right angle. Okay. Is right angles nothing but just consider this. Same thing will happen the right angle also. Every hour will get our right angle triangle. Right angle means it's nothing but 90 degrees between the two hands. 90 degrees between the two hands. Where will get the 90 degrees between two hands? Suppose think. Our hand shows 3. Our hand shows 3 and minute hand shows exactly 12. Exactly 12. Okay. Now 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now check. So if you want to find out the right angle triangle, right angle means angle between the two clocks, minute hand and hour hand, will be exactly 90. Am I right? And we know the before itself. We know it's before only. So every hour, the sector or gap is nothing but 30 degrees. Do you remember this? Every hour from 1 and 2, it is 30 degrees. Our hand will move, or every hour it's a 30 degrees, right? Now 30, 30, 30, 3 30s we want, and that will become give a 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle like this. Okay, exactly 3 it is 90 degrees. Exactly 3 it is 90 degrees. Exactly 3 means minute hand will show 12, hour hand will show 3. Okay, and after that, when it will show again one more time, I mean when it will show for 3 o'clock, sorry, 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, just check this one. 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Sorry, 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. So our hand shows 4. Minute hand will shows 7. Right? So if our hand will show 4, this is nothing but 30 degrees. And 5 to 6 is 30 degrees. And 6 to 7 will be 30 degrees. Right? Understand what I'm saying? Understand? So this will be get 90 degrees. But so our hand will shows 4 and minute hand will shows exactly 7. Then the angle between these two is a right angle, of course. But here at the time of 4:35, our hand, sorry, minute hand will show exactly 7 only. Minute hand will show exactly 7 only. But our hand will show where it will show lies between that. Our hand lies between, not exactly at 4, it is lies between 4 and 5, right? It exactly 4 and 5. Is it clear? Now, what I'm saying, you people understanding, right? So exactly 4 if our hand will shows, and exactly 7 if minute hand will shows, then the angle between the two hands is 90 degrees. Okay, because 3 sectors is there, 3 gaps is there, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 3 gaps is there, 90 degrees. But at the time of 4:35, the minute hand will show exactly 7, but our hand will show not exactly 7, sorry, 4. It will just move like a little. So this is exactly 4. But at the time of 4:35, this now it is actually original, it is showing. It will showing in lies between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Then when it will be become 90 degrees, so it is not exactly at 7. It is also moving like this. When it will also move lies between 7 and 8, then we'll get right angle. Okay, we'll get right angle. So at the time of 4 and 5, now the question is find the time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Well, hands of the clocks will be the right angle. Right angle. So now you just see what I said. The our hand lies between 4 and 5. The same if you want to find out the 90 degrees. From here to 90 degrees, right? Here to, see. So from here to here it's a 30. But now our hand will be lies here. Okay. From here to here is 30. And from here to here it is 30. And here to here it is 30. Clear? So 330s will give the 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So how we are going to find out this 90? Same thing. We have a formula to find this 30 hours. 30 hours minus 11 by 2. 11 by 2 minutes equal to 45 degrees. Sorry, 90 degrees. 90 degrees, right? But instead of doing this, what we are doing, the same trick here also we are going to follow. But that whenever the time will be lies between 4 and 5 and 8 and 7, then our minute hand will lies 8 and 7, in between 8 and 7, right? 8 and 7. So which one is a small? 7 is a small. 7 represents 35 minutes. Okay. Is it clear? And our answer is nothing but 35 by 11 is our answer. So 35 minutes, and it's not a proper fraction. It is 2 by 11. So 3 will add it to this. It's 38, 2 by 11. Now, it is what time? 4:38, 2 by 11. 4:38, 2 by 11 is the time when they both hands, our hand and minute hand, will in the right angle. The right angle are 90 degrees. Do you clear this? Guys, give in the reply in chat box. Is it clear? But how we are going to solve this? 90 degrees are right angle also the same thing. Now we just find out. We just find out this. Exactly 4:35 means it is showing us 7. But our hand will be not in the 4, right? Our hand will be not in the 4. It will move towards 5, right? So our hand will in between 4 and 5. So we have to consider that minute hand also somewhat more. So 8, 7 and 8. Is it clear? So that's the reason we are not. First, we have to consider that our hand also. Now, but here I have to say one more thing. 4:35, it is showing 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. You understand how we are going to find out these things. Now, in 4 and 5, sorry, just wait. I'll clear this. Now, I just see. In 4 and 5, what we got the time exactly on right angle triangle? It is 4:38, 2 by 11, right? But we should consider if 4 will give the 2 times right angle. 1 is with 7. What I said in the right angle is nothing but in between 90 degrees. That means three sectors or 3 gaps. Okay. Now we just see. I forgot to say this one. Now we just look at here. No. See. Time is 4. Think it's a time is 4. Time is 4. So where our hand will shows 4 and minute hand will shows 12, right? And we find out the angle between the 4 and 5 where 3 sectors after the 4, right? 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and 6 and 7. But we need to know that one more time also, this 4 and 5, it will shows make another right angle. See, what's the right angle is nothing but the 3 sectors time is there. If the gap is 3 sectors, this is a 30 and this will be the 30 and this will also is 30, right? So 90 degrees, right? So when it is a 4-5, when it is 4-5, again one more 90 degrees will happen. Generally, think if it is exactly minute hand will shows 1 and our hand will shows 4, then the angle between 9. Is it clear? So one more time. So every hour will have the 2 times of 90 degrees. 2 times of the 90 degrees. One is with three sectors after, one is three sector of before. Now you just see here, when it is 4-5, minute hand will shows exactly 1, but our hand will shows it moves half degree per minute, right? So 5 minutes it moves 2.5 degree. So that means it is not going to be right angle, Then you need to understand this again, the same thing. Whenever this is a sector 30 is there, then if minute hand comes to the 1, our hand will moves like this, right? Moves like this. So our hand lies between 4 and 5. Now our hand lies between 4 and 5. It also moves, right? And then to make the right angle, we have to consider this minute hand also in between, lies between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then it will give the one more right angle. So when it will give the one more right angle, 4 hours, 5 minute hand, where it lies 1 and 2, right? Minute hand lies between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, which one is small? 1 is small. 1 represents 5 by 11. Okay, do you understand now? So every hour in a clock, every hour right angle will get 2 times in an hour. But I'm asking the question now. In 12 hours, how many right angles will happen? In 12 hours, how many right angles will happen? Now, answer this question. 24. Super. $12, how many right angles will happen? I said every hour 2, right? Yeah, every hour 2 means 12 hours. 12 hours. 12 hours into 2. It's nothing but 24 in general. But you have to observe the clock is nothing but, so whenever time will be exactly on 3. Exactly on 3. It is 90 degrees, right? It is 190 degrees. And after this, we'll make one more angle from here to here. Okay. So they will lie between here. It will lie between here. Okay. So in 3 o'clock, it will be 2 times we're getting. But come to the same thing in the 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Okay. When it is a time is 2, when the time is 2, when it will make the first right angle, when it comes, the sector between 12 and 1 is 30, 1 and 2 is 30, only 60 degrees. So it is not possible, right? So it moves like this. And when it comes to here, so this is one sector and this is one sector. So 30 sectors. So the hour hand will lies between 2 and 3. Minute hand will lies between 5 and 6. One right angle will get. After that, what will happen? This moves like this and moving like this, and it comes to the 12, but it comes to the 12. What's the time now? Exactly 3. Exactly 3. Then means in between 2 and 3, how many times it will make the right angle? It will make the right angle only one time. 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3, it becomes only one time rectangle. So second time rectangle will get, but that time is exactly 3. At that time, exactly 3. So in between 2 and 3, only one time. 3 and 4, we just find it, just now we find 2 times, right? Is it right? So 3 and 4. So totally from 2 to 4, it's only 3 times. It's only 3 times. Is it clear? 2 to 4 it's only 3 times. Here 2 to 3 is only one time. 3 to 4 is 2 times. Totally it is 3 times. And the same thing happened for 9 also. Exactly 9 also. Okay. Exactly 9 also it will happen. And in between 8 and 9, between 8 and 9, okay, right angle will make one time only, and 9 and 10 2 times only. So this also from 8 to 10, it's only 3 times, right? In generally 12 hours into 2. But what will happen here? In between 12 hours, 2 hours is making only one time. 2 hours making only one time. Which one? 2 to 3 it's one time, and 8 to 9 is one time. So it is considered 10 hours will make exactly 2. That is nothing but 22. Sorry, 20 plus 2 to 3. Remaining 2 hours is there, right? 2 to 3 and 8 to 9. So 2 hours is making only one time. It's making only one time. So it is 2. Totally in 12 hours, 22 times it will make. 22 times it will make. And coincide in 12 hours, only 11 times it will be happen. Okay. Is it clear? This is what up to the right angle triangle and coincide and opposite. Now, what I said, another type will discuss today, right? So that is what? Mirror image. So now just see here. It is 10 is the time now. 10 is the time now. In what? In a mirror, it's just nothing but subtract this 11 hour 60 minutes. Then subtract this 10. So what will get? 150. That's a shortcut trick. Whatever the time, you just subtract from 11 hours 60 minutes. So today's this is the class for today's. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.